Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ Khaled, and today we have a crypto video, and I just want to make a quick video reviewing this called the Splash token that is actually on the Avalanche network, so not on the Binance Smart Chain, which is kind of a first timer for me. It's been a long time since I adventured outside of the Binance Smart Chain, which might be the best time to do right now. It's a great opportunity because you can think of this as Drip 2.0 on the Avalanche network. Why? Well, because Drip works. The tokenomics are amazing. It has a proven track record. It's been going on for 10 months. So it only makes sense for someone else to take that exact tokenomics and put it somewhere in another smart chain, basically. So you can have another wide range of people who want to get into passive income. So we are reviewing Splash Network. What is it? It's very simple to Drip. The only difference is that this gives you 2% daily with 360% maximum, so even higher yield than Drip. And on top of that, it has just launched in under 8 hours, guys. So huge room for growth, huge room for making a lot of money. So I wanted to quickly make this video. Obviously not financial advice. You want to join in. I'm going to quickly show you how to join it. All you need is the Avax token, which by the way, a lot of people will find this helpful because sometimes in MetaMask you need to add the network yourself. You need to add the Avalanche network. So I'm going to leave this article in the description, which has the information what you need to do. You just fill in the blanks. Basically, you need to put in the network name, RPC, channel symbol, Explorer, URL, and that's it. And then you have the Avalanche network. You have to switch to it basically once you go on the Splassive, which is splassive.com, and then you just connect. Simple as that. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to connect on the website. But I guess let's start with the well, which is basically the fountain of Drip. So they obviously have the same kind of naming. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to quickly connect to my wallet. But here is literally they copied the same thing from Drip. You can buy your Splash token. By the way, if we look at the chart as well, I believe it's on 8.8 million market cap, so huge growth room for improvement. And then basically here you sell it, and then after that what you want to do is go to the tab, which is basically the faucet of Drip. Simple as that. And then you want to deposit. Guys, remember this is locked staking, so whatever you put in, it is going to be locked there forever. The only way you make it back is through your daily interest, which is a 2% back. So keep that in mind. So if you guys once you're on this page and you bought your Splash tokens, which I have 7 right now, which I want to deposit it, what you need to do is a buddy address. So if on the first one who told you about Splassive, I'll be thankful if you use the buddy address link in the description. All you need to do is paste it, so you're allowed to enter the tap. It'll be at no extra cost of you, so this is only no extra cost. You have to do this as a referral, you know what I mean? So once you paste in the buddy address link in the description, you paste it in, you click update, and now you're allowed to deposit your Splash balance. So I'm going to do that real quick, which I'm going to put 7.128. Let's put that, and then I want to click deposit. Oh, actually, you guys need to make sure as well, you need to approve, especially if this is your first time, and this is actually indeed my first time on this laptop because I did it on my phone yesterday. But as simple as that, guys, this might be huge, especially on the Avalanche network. You know what I mean? This could get a new number of people. This could even get, as you guys can see, transaction confirmed, and now I can click deposit. Oh, I need to quickly go. Let me go like this. 7.1. So this can even get a lot of people from the Drip network, which I come from the Drip network, who want to come in this because this is a new fresh, so it has that opportunity to get the higher gains of being early in something like Drip. Imagine if you were early in Drip, you would have made money. You'd be making money today, even at the dip price of Drip, which is $50 or $60 right now. You know what I mean? So those people are still making money today. So this could be the same thing with Splash. This could be that opportunity. Guys, go in this with only risk capital. So do not go in this like with a lot of money that you go in this with money that you don't mind going to zero. You know what I mean? This is risky. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed in DeFi world, but this is another great opportunity that I want to review with you guys. If you liked this video, give it a like, and remember, when you go down here, you need a buddy address, which I'm going to leave the link in the description. And let me know that you joined my team. You know what I mean? Of course, we're going to be doing airdrops and stuff. You know what I mean? Like, I want to help my team as well. So let me know that you joined the team. You can also join the Telegram, the farmers community, where we speak about the different ways of making passive income, making money when you sleep, making money when it's in bear markets. You know what I mean? You want to enjoy life. Like, look at this. It's a sunny day today. I'm going to be leaving, after making this video, I'm going to be leaving my house, enjoying the sun while still making money. You should be doing that too. Guys, my name is DJ Khaled. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think of Splash. Let me know what you think of Drip. I'll see you in another video, and bye-bye.